Okay, so here we have three workbooks. Let's say we want to move data or coloring or formatting or anything that's in one workbook to a new one. We have a workbook that will act as our controller, from which we will send the macro command to manipulate the other two books, take the data that we need from one workbook and pass it to the other. So we have a CSV workbook that looks like this. Just a simple CSV workbook. And we want to transform it to look as so. Just an Excel LSX workbook. As you can see, this one has a table formatting and a comment section over here, a payments column over here, two things that the CSV workbook doesn't have. Now, what we are looking for is to move the comments from here and put them in the CSV workbook, like the table, and color the rows that are marked in red and color them in the CSV workbook. We're also going to hide columns that we don't need, and we're just going to transform the CSV workbook to look as we want it to look. So let's close these two workbooks. And open our controller. And it's going to be fast, so don't blink. All we have to do is press the start button. And we got a message saying the transformation completed. Let's click OK. And we see the rows are painted red. And now that it's finished, Excel created for us a new workbook called Papers right here. And this new workbook has the comments section with the comments in it, the red rows, the payment section, and some hidden columns over here. Let's close it. And there it is right here. As always, we can tailor make anything that you need to suit you. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.